welcome to MyPCTIPS.com YouTube channel. And I first want to say sorry to all my viewers that my English is not very good in this point, so I just say sorry for the starting of this video right now. So in previous two of my videos I have shown how you can simply share your mobile internet with computer or other devices or mobile phone. If the first method was using USB data cable to share your internet, mobile internet to computer or laptop, and the second was using Wi-Fi, which is hotspot. Now this is the third video of same series, and in this video I am going to show you how you can simply share your mobile internet with your laptop using Bluetooth tethering. So after going to the settings, you have to just click on more under the wireless and networks, then go to the tethering and mobile hotspots. Okay, right here you can see Bluetooth tethering, under which it is stating sharing this phone's internet connection. So after choosing this settings, you can see the mobile's Bluetooth as turned on in above shutter notification. And I'm just going to turn on off my Bluetooth so that it will just start searching with my laptop. So this is my laptop and I'm going to make up here and searching for my device, and it has already searched it, rather HD. Just after choosing your device, click next and it will ask for pin code. So I'm just typing the same pin code which my PC is showing me right now, 316958880. Okay, now we have to just wait. It will take few seconds to configure device, and it is configuring. You can see below as notification that driver or software is not installed successfully. Don't bother this, we don't need them. So the device is successfully added. Okay, you have to still perform one last step to share the internet. Okay, come here to Bluetooth and go to the show devices. So this one device is connected, right click on it and connect using access point. This is very important step. Once you will click, it will just make a connection between your phone and your laptop. So yellow icon has gone, so I'm able to enjoy my mobile phone's internet with my laptop. I hope you like this video. Please like the video and do subscribe our channel to get more update through emails. See you then, bye bye.